Good day, I am Jermaine Arthur, and this is the first of 5 podcasts in which I will illustrate how modern technology can be used to address contemporary issues of equity, diversity, and inclusion in the classroom. This series is geared towards educators who are now entering the field of tertiary level education. As societies try feverishly to ensure that the expression all means all becomes a reality, especially as it relates to education, there is little doubt that tertiary level educators will, in short order, be faced with issues related to equity, diversity, and inclusion in their respective classrooms. It is important that they are not caught flat-footed. In today's world, there is a general shift towards the celebration of the ways in which we are different. Stephen Covey, in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, note that strength lies in differences and not in similarities. Former US President Barack Obama in 2016 noted that research has shown that people with different skills and abilities are more effective in solving problems than a group possessing the same skills and abilities. The thrust of societies in the 21st century is to ensure that all learners, regardless of their race, color, creed, class, economic or immigration status, disability, or sexual orientation, receive an education in a single environment. Put another way, all barriers to education will be dismantled one brick at a time. Since this is uncharted territory, it is imperative that educators are prepared and resourced to celebrate and welcome their diverse student population. For the transition from segregation to inclusion to be seamless, it is critical that the terms highlighted at the beginning of this podcast be defined. Let us begin with a definition for the term diversity. According to TAN 2019, diversity is the presence of difference within a given setting. This difference may include race, ethnicity, religion, nationality, or sexual orientation. Tutu 2021 defined equity, especially as it relates to education, as making sure that equitable and quality education is accessible to all students, irrespective of their background. According to TAN 2019, equity is what creates opportunity for all members of a community. Lastly, TAN 2019 defends inclusion as the intentional, ongoing effort to ensure that diverse people with different identities are able to fully participate in all aspects of the work of an organization. Based on the foregoing definitions, it is clear that for inclusion to be a comfortable and beneficial arrangement, there must be an appreciation of diversity and the existence of equity. Thank you for listening to this introductory podcast. I sincerely hope it piqued your interest. In the next sessions, I will begin to show how technology can be used to address contemporary issues of equity, diversity, and inclusion in the classroom. Thanks again.